Space is not silent. You've heard it before. In space, no one can hear you scream. But what if space isn't truly silent? These 5 facts will flip what you thought you knew. Fact 1. Space has no air but still has sound. Sound needs a medium like air or water to travel. Since space is a vacuum, traditional sound doesn't move. But that doesn't mean silence. Fact 2. Planets and stars emit waves. Planets, stars, and even black holes release electromagnetic vibrations. NASA translates these signals into eerie sounds you can actually hear. Fact 3. NASA captured a black hole's roar. In 2022, NASA released audio from a black hole in the Perseus galaxy. The sound? Deep, haunting vibrations like something from a nightmare. Fact 4. The sun has a voice. Using satellite data, scientists recreated the sound of the sun. It pulses and hums like a giant drum, constant and alive. Fact 5. Earth sings. 2. Our planet sends out its own chorus of electromagnetic waves. Some call it Earth's whistle, and astronauts have reported hearing strange hums while orbiting. So no, space isn't silent. It's filled with invisible music, ghostly vibrating signals from the deepest parts of the universe.